guys, what is up? It's me, looksbylottie, and welcome to today's video. If this is your first time here on my channel, then welcome. I'm so glad to see you here today. If you like videos about makeup, make sure to subscribe down below. I'm currently wrapping up 13 days of Halloween, but once we get to November, I'll be posting every Tuesday and Friday. So make sure to subscribe for more content. If this is your second, third, fourth, or however many times you've been here, then welcome back. It's so good to see you again. Make sure to press that notifications bell so you are always notified whenever I post a new video. So today is kind of an interesting video, I would like to say. But we're gonna create like a toxic waste moment thing. I don't know, I got inspired by this neon pigment from Makeup a Murder. I bought this from them recently. I hadn't tried any of their products, so this will be like a first impressions in a way. But yeah, I'm super excited. Love me a green look. I'm gonna pull my hair back and put my base on, and we're gonna dive right in. This is also going to be a voiceover, by the way, because it is a little bit late. People are sleeping, and sometimes I get loud filming. Look at the packaging! It's so cute! Look at that. I'm just gonna blend in my finger. Whoa. Hold on. Okay. It is so much. Oh my gosh. So we're gonna take it to the voiceover. Let's go, voiceover Lottie, you're on.
Okay everyone, the hair is back and the base is on. Let's get into today's look. First, I'm going into the Morphe X Flashback Mary palette.
Hi sisters!
The first shade I'm going to take is Social Blade, and I'm just tapping it on the inner half of my lid. I'm also blending the shade up into my crease, but not too blown out just yet. Next, I am taking the Winky Lux Fruity Kitten palette and taking the light green shade called Kiwi and buffing out Social Blade up towards my brow bone. If you're following along, blend to your heart's content so it looks as seamless as you want it to be. Going back into Flashback Mary, I'm taking the shade Daddy on my brush and tapping it onto the outer half of my lid. I also made sure to wing it up towards the tip of my brow and that it is blended with Social Blade on my lid. Pulling out my Morphe 25L Live-In Color palette and tapping into the shade Nature and blending out Daddy up towards my brow, like we did with Kiwi before. I also dipped into a white shade and softened up the blends near my brow bone. I am now taking the shade Liberation on my finger and tapping it all over my lid, making sure it evenly covers both green shades. Isn't that just the prettiest shimmer though? Like literally I'm obsessed, it's almost like a glitter. Now I am taking my Revlon Color Stay Skinny Liner and creating a medium-sized wing. Gotta do my special trick for all those people with hooded eyes out there. It's time for lashes and liner, which I decided to do off camera. Then I received some moral support for Alex. We love and stand a supportive man on this channel. Now I am finally dipping into the green poison neon pigment from Makeup a Murder. This is super pigmented, you guys, like OMG. I'm using this pigment to draw on the toxic waste coming out of my eyes and my nose. I tap the pigment on in droplet shapes, building up the pigment a few times so that the color really stands out. This does take a bit of time, but the process is so worth it to see.
How do I look?
Oh wow, I love it.
Only halfway done.
I'm going back into the liner I used earlier to outline the slime and add some little droplets to the look. Doing this step really helped give me the cartoony feel I was wanting from the toxic waste. I did have to redraw my lines a few times because the green poison pigment was just so punchy and bright, but I was easily able to achieve the look I was going for. Reflecting on this, if I could change one thing, I would try and make each drop a little more drop-like and not so much sludge-like. Weird wording, but the drips did not look as cartoonish when they didn't have a round curve at the bottom and were thinning at the top. I used the shades Daddy and Social Blade as bronzer and blush on my cheeks and the tip of my nose just to give more emphasis to the toxic and sickly look. Because I used a little too much of Daddy, I did my best to clean it up with a bit of the Laura Mercier Translucent Loose Setting Powder. Not 100% sure if that was successful, but I did my best. Had to get a motivational kiss for good luck, and then I pulled out my trusty Fenty Beauty Mademoiselle lipstick in shade Effin' Black and applied it to my lips. I took the green poison pigment and tapped it on top of my lips to create a gradient effect. It took a second to build up the pigment on a black base, but the end result is so cool. I realized I forgot to put highlighter on, which is so unlike me, and so I put on the Kylie Cosmetics highlighter in shade Quartz. Lastly, I topped off my lips with the Glamlite Tequila Gloss.
Alright, and this is the final look. What do we think about it, you guys? Personally, I think it was definitely different, but it was kind of fun to create. Have you ever done something kind of like this? Let me know in the comments down below. But thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I appreciate every single one of you. Now go ahead, leave a like and a comment, make sure you are subscribed, and also turn on notifications so you know when I post my next video. Now it's time to get my sludge on. I honestly don't know what that means. Don't yell at me. But I'll see you guys later. Bye!